Hi and welcome to Add More Zest with Diamonds. My name's Rebecca and I've got an unboxing today to share with you from Oraloa. So it's this gorgeous image here. I will of course be getting it out so you can see it a little bit better. But this is called Free Spirit by Lori Philippon. Might be an F with the PH. I'm not exactly sure. So I do apologise if I have said her name wrong. But this is an 80 by 57 centimetre painting, which is 31.5 inches by 22.44 inches. It is licensed artwork and it is a square. I like let your creativity sparkle. I like that on the box. So the painting itself, whew, that is hefty, that one. So let's have a look at the actual painting. It has a nice soft backed canvas. I don't think this is going back in its bag, I'll tell you that much. Oh, we do definitely have some AB diamonds in here. So we have 62 colours in this painting. Isn't that beautiful? So that is the image. That is gorgeous. So we get, they do include like an instruction sheet. Welcome to the world of Oraloa. Some instructions on diamond painting. You do then get a sheet for your logbook / for kitting up. So each of these are individual stickers that have the numbers 1 through to 62, the symbols and the DMC number. And you do get another picture of the image itself. There isn't a huge amount of block work on this background either. It definitely has some sort of shading and textures in it. You do get a toolkit, quite a weighty toolkit in this one. So we get the white boat, the nice white boat. You get some Oraloa washi with some gorgeous designs on it. You get a clear pen with a single placer and a 3-placer. You get a really nice set of metal tweezers. They are the spiky spike ones. You get squishy for popping on your pen. You get a little pot with the blue wax. I do like the blue wax. Don't ask me why, but I do. And then you get possibly a 9-placer. Definitely looks like it's a 9-placer in there. So you get your toolkit and then of course you get your diamonds. Look at those. There is some 310. There is a couple of bags of 310 here, which is in a lot of the shading in her hair is the primary place for that. But as well as looking at the amazing colours, of which as you can see there's quite a few bags of these which make up the background, sort of peachy pinky tones, but I say it's not lots and lots. It's like not all the whole background is the same. There's actually a few different colours in there, so keep the variety up. But what I love to look at is the ABs and where they're placed, because I think that can make a huge difference. So the ABs are near the end. We do have 6. Oh, there's the other one. So we have 6 different AB colours in this beauty. In fact, those diamonds were weighing that down quite nicely. In fact, they can go on this side, because that was the end that was rolled up the most. So if you can see, it goes all the way down here. And we have another bird down here that sort of goes up around her hair. And then we've got one up here. It's quite a little bit of confetti colour in there. It's like there's a pattern on the bird. But let's have a look at where these ABs are. So the first AB is 349, which is this red. It is the letter C, and this is where they either really stand out to me or I can't find them for looking. Okay, so I found the letter C. So there is some of it down here in the bottom of this bird. There is also a little bit scattered in here, sort of the feathers coming off the bird. There's a little bit scattered here, again on the feather rather than in her hair. I can see one in this feather up here, and I can see a couple more here. So basically this red is in the bird feathers. And then the second one is 602 AB. So this is a deeper pink. There's quite a lot more of this. So this is the letter K. So again, we have it down here. It's to this side of the bird's feather. We have some scattered in here, very much scattered in this part of the feather. Trying to see if I can see sort of any in hair and things. No, it definitely seems to be more in the feathers of the bird. There is a lot more over here. So there is a batch here. Excuse me. Ooh, there is some in her hair. I will come back to that. So there's a batch here, and then there's a lot more on these two wings of this colour. A little bit going in here and a few bits scattered, a couple of bits scattered in the design up here, but then I have just spotted there is some K here in her braid. It's more on the top part, though there is a little bit as it goes further down, and then there's just 3 here in this little curl that goes over the front of her face. So that tends to be where that sort of pinky colour is. Then we have the peach or pale pink. So this is 819. This is a tick symbol. So we have a little bit on her nose, a little bit on her cheek as well. Where else do we have? Because that is definitely far too much. We have some here on the wing of this bird in the lighter section. Oh, and it's actually scattered throughout the background. So there is a scattering of it here. There is a little scattering of it around here and into these sections. So there's a scattering around this pale section. There's also quite a bit of a scattering above here as well. And around the bird's eye. Some more scattering around this edge where it goes from really light to darker, and again over this side, and there is some scattered throughout here as well. So this one is scattered in the background too. There is the odd one falling out of the bag. Then number 60, so this is 996 AB. This one is a star symbol. So I'm just having a quick hunt for any blue. We have it up here. So we have it up here in this bird. I think that's the main area. There may be some more because sometimes you get a bit symbol blind when you're looking, but it seems to mainly be up here for this gorgeous blue. Then we have the bright yellow. So there's a little bit more of this one. This is scattered in the body of the bird. It's also scattered on this sort of flower on the wing, and it is definitely scattered throughout the body. I've just realised you can't see it. Throughout the body of this bottom bird as well. So that's primarily on the birds. And then 62, that's a gorgeous blue. So that is 3766, the letter E. So this is here on the the wing of the bird, it's also on the wing of this bird up here. So if you can remember, most of the AB is scattered throughout the birds. So primarily it's your birds that will sparkle, which is quite nice to give it that little bit of wow factor. But then you do have just a little touch around her nose. There is actually, now I've seen a couple in her eye. So you get this little twinkling at the top of her nose. You get a little twinkling throughout her braid. And then there is that 819 twinkling around this sort of design. So it might be clearer for me to show you where it is on here. Can you see there's this lighter part, as though she's in front of a moon? Think like that. It's sort of in between the two of these where the colours start meeting. That's where there's a lot of the twinkle AB on that one. So quite a nice scattering. So I will pop a link to this painting down below. It is a current and available painting, and Oraloa have also been extremely kind and are allowing me to pass on one of the paintings from them as a giveaway over on my other channel, my main channel. So I will pop a link in the well, there is a link in the description below to my other channel. So I will also be passing this on. As beautiful as it is, I have quite a few paintings to do. So as gorgeous as this one is, I am going to pass this one on in the giveaway so that you can have a chance to try an Oraloa diamond painting if you haven't already. And that will appear at some point in June on my other channel. I don't announce when, apart from in the videos, but I do really appreciate the fact that they have allowed me to pass on one of these paintings to one of you. But yeah, I will say pop the link down below so that you can go and have a look. I do have a couple more videos coming up over the next month or so of some of their current paintings so that you can see what is available now. And of course, as and when, I will have images of their new releases as well. But thank you all so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.